Question 26. Work out the area of this triangle. First of all, we spot this here. So it's a right angle triangle. That's 90 degrees. So basically, we can just go half the, it's a right angle triangle. That's the height. That's the perpendicular height, because that side there is perpendicular or at right angles to the base. So we can go the area equals half times the base times the perpendicular height. See, that's a symbol for perpendicular height. This only works if it's a right angle there in the corner. So then you'd have half multiplied by 34.3 multiplied by 7.8. Okay, and you just work that one out. Now the reason that works is because this triangle is half of a perfect rectangle, and you might remember, to get the area of a rectangle, you just multiply the long side by the short side. So what you're doing here is you're getting half the area of this rectangle, which is the area of the triangle. So half, fraction key there, 1 on top, 2 below, half multiplied by 34.3 multiplied by 7.8, and we get, let's see that there, 133.77. We have here 133.77, and we're dealing in meters, and it's area, so it's squared.